what is this over here?
Hi, how are you? My name is Max from Alpha Plug Company. Again, we are here with the iPhone 14 Pro Max LCD program. We want to replace the screen with the True Tone program.
And how come you're clamping it like this?
Yeah, because the 14 Pro Max you must be clamped, but this one is broken. We don't need to make a heat up.
Okay, perfect.
Make a little bit heat up, and with alcohol we remove it.
And what's this chip?
This one is the cable for proximity sensor, Face ID, everything is here. So many things is here.
Wow.
Yeah, that's the old LCD for the iPhone 14 Pro Max. And now we need a program for True-Tone program.
And why? What does that do?
The True-Tone program make it the quality for the screen is going up, and you can use it one item from the screen like that. I can show you one item from here. You press it, the touch. The True-Tone is the third program here. True-Tone is on. We needed this program for the LCD
The
replacement.
highest quality.
Yeah, highest quality, and do it so many things.
Wow. Very good.
We need a program. Make a program.